Hey guys, MIP here, and today we're going to show you how to drill your Tamiya gearbox. In order to properly drill your gearbox, you will need a specially designed MIP Holesaw and a standard home power drill. Be sure to use a low setting and a medium speed. To drill your gearbox, safely secure it in your vise and center the Holesaw in the middle where the old outdrive resides. Begin drilling into the gearbox, applying a bit of pressure until the Holesaw drills through the gearbox as so. Re-drill the hole as needed until the counter bore is deep enough where the bearing sits flat in the gearbox. Once the drilling is complete, take your bearing and insert it into a newly cut hole in the gearbox and insert your new MIP Diff into the case. Then, take the other side of the case and close up your gearbox as shown. And that's basically it guys, you're all set. Thanks for watching.